Thank you very much, Aga Khan, our Honorable Member of Parliament, MIM President Asaduddin Owaisi ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and my colleague, Cabinet Minister Mr. Jupalli Krishna Rao, and Tourism Principal Secretary Vani Prasad. It's my pleasure and honor to be here today with all of you in this Heritage Park. It celebrates the conclusion of extraordinary restoration and renovation of this project by Department of Culture and Heritage, Government of Telangana, and Aga Khan Trust for Culture. I welcome each one of you to Telangana, a land full of history, culture and traditions that date back thousands of years. The region was ruled by Satavahanas, Kakatiyas, Kuli Qutub Shahis and Nizam dynasty and others, each living behind their unique cultural imprint. Telangana is home for architectural marvels like Charminar, Kuli Qutub Shahi tombs, Golconda Fort, Paiga tombs, Thousand Pillar Temple in Wangal, and Ramappa Temple, Alampur Temple. All these are our heritage architectural buildings are there. The Kuli Qutub Shahi Heritage Park and 7 tombs stand as a proof of architectural brilliance and cultural richness of Kuli Qutub Shahi dynasty. Our government will preserve and protect the cultural and heritage of Telangana and proudly place it in the world map. Telangana is proud home for World Heritage Site Ramappa Temple, recognized by UNESCO. Starting with the MOU in 2013, the conservation of more than 100 monuments spread over 106 acres represents the largest ever conservation effort undertaken in India. On behalf of my government and people of Hyderabad, I place on record our appreciation and gratitude for generous contribution of Aga Khan Trust for Culture. I thank Prince Rahim Aga Khan for traveling to be part of this occasion and all distinguished guests present. Thank you very much.
Very grateful that Mr. Owaisi, Honorable this area, Mr. Kausar Moinuddin, Honorable MLA are here today. Owaisi Sahab has chosen not to speak. But thank you CM Sahab for requesting him to speak for a minute. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Prince Rahim Aga Khan Excellency, Honorable Chief Minister Telangana Janab Revant Reddy Sahab, Honorable Minister for Tourism, Honorable Srimati Vani Prasad, IAS, dignitaries seated on the dais, Your Excellencies, I must really thank the Aga Khan Trust and the state government and the US Consulate for putting in great efforts in restoring and in bringing back this great historical legacy of Hyderabad. And I remember very vividly coming over here as a child from my school trips from HPS Begumpet. But this has been a fantastic job has been done. And I thank the Aga Khan Trust, His Excellency Prince Rahim. And may I remind His Excellency that it was Aga Khan III who was instrumental in constructing the present Aligarh Muslim University. And in 1920, Aga Khan III had given 1 lakh rupees for the construction of the present Aligarh Muslim University building. So your connection with India and Hyderabad and history continues, and I thank all of them, and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister for sparing his precious time and coming over here. And I would really request the Honorable Chief Minister to examine the proposal made by the Aga Khan Trust in maintaining these 7 tombs so that this can be maintained and preserved.